Planning your week doesn't have to feel overwhelming. You don't need 10 different apps, complicated systems, or hours of prep time. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to plan a productive, balanced week in just a few minutes. We're going to create a weekly structure, organize your tasks, build a realistic schedule, and even set up daily checklists and a simple habit tracker, all with the help of AI. And don't worry, this is completely beginner friendly. Let's get started. Before diving into tasks and schedules, it helps to start with a simple structure for your week. And this is where AI can save you so much time. Instead of figuring it out from scratch, you can describe the type of week you want and let the AI build a template for you. Here's an example of what to type. Create a simple weekly structure for someone who works full-time, wants to exercise 3 times a week, and needs time for meal prep and relaxation. AI will instantly give you a weekly overview, something like Monday, work and gym. Tuesday, work and a relaxing evening. Wednesday, work and a focus project. Thursday, work and gym. Friday, work and a free evening. And then on the weekend might be meal prep, downtime, hobbies. It takes the guesswork out of planning and gives you a foundation to build on. So this is the basic foundation we're starting with. And the best part, you can adjust it anytime by asking for a different version. More relaxing, more productive, or more flexible. Once you have a weekly structure, the next step is understanding what actually needs to get done. Most of us carry around huge to-do lists, but not everything is urgent or important. AI can quickly sort your weekly tasks so you know exactly where to focus your time. You can type something like this. Here are my tasks for the week, and then you list all your tasks. It can be making a doctor's appointment, a dentist appointment, going to the gym, finishing a report, calling your parents, literally anything you have to do this coming week. Tell AI, here are my tasks for the week. Sort these into must do, nice to do, and optional. Add estimated time for each. It's so simple. AI will organize everything into categories, which immediately reduces overwhelm. For example, must do might be booking a doctor's appointment, finish your work report. Nice to do could be cleaning your apartment or buying groceries. Optional would be organizing your photos or researching a trip. This gives you clarity. You can see what absolutely needs to happen, what would be great to get done, and what can wait if the week gets busy. It's a simple step, but it's powerful. Now that your tasks are categorized, it's time to build a real schedule, one that fits naturally into your life and doesn't overwhelm you. AI can take your tasks and your weekly structure and map everything out into a day-by-day plan. Try this prompt. Using the structure and tasks above, create a realistic weekly plan for me. Include times, breaks, workouts, and 2 evenings of free time. AI will create an overview and a schedule for you that works with what you've given it. This is where things start to feel organized and manageable. Instead of guessing and juggling everything in your head, you now have a plan you can follow and adjust however you want. Remember, this doesn't have to be perfect. Think of it as a flexible guide, not a rigid schedule. Once you have a basic schedule, you can refine it with just a few simple prompts. Maybe the week feels too heavy or too strict or too busy in the evenings. AI can help you tweak everything without starting over. Type something like, make this plan more balanced. Add more downtime and reduce evening screen time. AI might suggest swapping one evening task for a walk, moving chores to the weekend, creating a no screen hour before bed, or just adding one more free evening. These small adjustments make your week feel more realistic and enjoyable, and you can keep refining until the plan feels right for you. If you want, you can also ask for variations. Make this plan more productive. Make this plan more beginner-friendly. Think of AI as your personal weekly planning assistant. Daily checklists help break the weekly plan into small, simple steps, and AI can create them for you instantly. Use this prompt. Create daily checklists based on this weekly plan. AI will generate Monday through Friday lists that look like work, workout, prep lunch, call your parents, evening wind down, evening tidy. These checklists are perfect if you prefer focusing on just one day at a time instead of thinking about the entire week. You can copy them into your Notes app, your paper planner, or wherever you prefer. These steps make your plan feel doable. Instead of a long weekly list, you now have bite-sized daily goals. To make your week even more effective, you can also ask AI to build a habit tracker based on your goals. This keeps you consistent and helps you see your progress at a glance. Try this prompt. Create a simple habit tracker for this week with space for exercise, hydration, steps, and a daily win. Of course, you can always edit the prompt to be more specific. AI will generate a clean table-style tracker with boxes you can fill in daily. You can paste it into your Notes app or print it out if you prefer something physical. This step adds a sense of structure and motivation without feeling overwhelming. It's easy, it's flexible, and it keeps you accountable. Now that you have a weekly structure, a sorted task list, a realistic schedule, daily checklists, and a habit tracker, you can wrap everything up in one clean document. Type, combine everything into a simple weekly plan with a schedule, daily checklists, and a habit tracker. AI will bring all the pieces together into a polished overview. You can also ask to get it in a PDF file. This becomes your final weekly planning hub, something you can save to your phone, screenshot, print, or reference throughout the week. It's organized, clear, and easy to follow. And that's how you can use AI to plan your entire week in just a few minutes. From your structure and tasks to checklists and habits, everything becomes easier, quicker, and far less stressful. If you enjoyed this video and want more beginner-friendly ways to use AI to improve your life, like learning faster, creating a workout schedule, writing a book, or decluttering your home, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.